Camera.
Hey guys, unbox. Oh, it is a box in a box.
Yeah, what are we unboxing?
A dildo from Disney.
Whoa. Here, turn it around so we can see what it is.
It is a dildo and it works. This is the
Oh, what kind of scarecrow is this?
the hunt.
The hunched scarecrow?
Yeah.
Well, let's open up the top of the box. Yeah.
Oh, it is a box in a box.
It's a box in a box.
This is the hunt dildo from Disney.
From Temu?
Yeah. See? Oh, look at this. Oh my god.
Whoa, careful, bud. You okay?
I'm just so excited about this.
I know.
Here are the directions.
Well, take it out. Take it all the way out.
Your face inside down. Right?
Mm-hmm.
What about we get it over?
There are a lot of boxes in these boxes. Whoa, that is a big inflatable.
It is a base fan, guys.
It's a base fan?
Yeah.
Is that the best kind of inflatable?
What about we get it? Oh, what? It is a base fan. It is a base fan.
Yeah.
And this
Well,
is
all right.
again-
You want to go plug it in and see how it goes?
Yeah.
Let's go plug it in the front entryway, bud. Not in the dining room. Right here. That way, there's plenty of room because it's pretty tall. So here, put it right here, Papa.
You need to get it over.
Well, yeah, we need to get the base fan unfolded.
So here's our inflatable from Demi. It's from Demi, Dada.
Oh, okay.
It's from Demi.
Jimmy?
Yeah. That's like the mouse, Dada.
Oh, yeah.
It's from Demi. They are inflatable from Tom.
Okay, well, here, let's plug it in.
It is a base fan.
Ready?
Oh, I think it's on.
Oh, wow.
It would scare you for sure, guys. It would scare you for sure. Oh, they're like busting the steer like it.
That is pretty scary. Oh, it popped over. Wow, this is a big inflatable. Whoa.
Hey guys.
Oh, hang on.
No.
Here, bud. Come here, hold my phone.
Oh my god. Yay. This is ours. No, they're not near me. No. No. Dada, put it in. Dada, put it in.
What?
Put it in. I'm too scared.
You're too scared?
Yeah. Can you put it in?
Oh, wow, this is one scary inflatable. Come over here. I want to get a video of you next to it. Let me see the phone.
So, here's our inflatable. It's big, and I thought it would be right.
Wow.
This is the big new one, Dada.
Yeah?
Oh,
It's scary, isn't it?
the mega house.
Yeah, mega house.
Oh my, no.
All right, well, you need to say goodbye because I'm turning the video off.